Hello guys, and welcome to another video. And today in this video we will do some PLC programming in Codesys, and we will be doing some LD programming, ladder diagram programming. So I will show you guys just a simple exercise in ladder diagram, how to program a simple set reset with a lamp, how to turn on and turn off a lamp with set reset function in LD programming PLC here in Codesys. So let's start. I call this project just set reset LD project. So after you have started and made a project in Codesys, you will go here to tools and you will choose here lateral elements, and here you will have a contact. So first you drag a contact into network 1, and then we will name this contact button on. And then you will drag here is a set coil, and so from button on contact to set coil, we will name it lamp. Then you will add another network, so we will have a network 1 will be button on to set lamp, and on network 2 we will drag in one more contact and we will name it button off. And then we will add a reset coil that goes to button off, and we will name it lamp. So this is how the programming looks in the foundation. So first we have in network 1, we will have a contact with the insert called button on, and then it would go to lamp as a reset coil though. It starts the lamp, and on network 2 we'll have a contact called button off. It goes to reset lamp. So what happens is we press the button, it goes activated, it sets and starts the lamp, and when we press button off, it sets and it resets the lamp and turns it off. So after we have done this, you can also do it in another way, that you don't add a second network that you have in network 1. You make a branch, you drag in a branch here after button on contact, and then you add the contact for button off, and then reset for lamp. So there's two different very easy ways to do it. You can all do it all in one network, in network 1, or you can do it like I have done here in 2 different networks. So after we have done this, we will go to visualization, and here we will add one lamp and two buttons. So yeah, we can make it which color we want. Doesn't really matter. We can make it blue, just for fun. And then we will add go to basic, and we can just add rounded rectangle, and then we use gradient so we can see what the text says, and then we name it on. Then copy paste the button, and we name it off. And here on the lamp, then you will go to variable, and you will add variable lamp, and here on the on button you will go to input configuration, and then to toggle, and then variable, and you will add button on, and also clicking toggle, and then you will go to off button, and you will go to the variable there too, and add button off tag. So this is how it can look, very simple, for making just a simple set reset button on button off project in ladder diagram in PLC programming. So now we can first build project to see that everything works and is okay. And now we go to clicked on simulation and then log in. Okay. Now we go to debug. It started, so it doesn't really matter. So now when we press on, we can see here the lamp turns on, and in network 1 button on activated, set lamp. Now when we press off, the button off is activated, contact to reset lamp. And you can also, it still activates, and you can also have, so it doesn't really matter. So now turn it off, button off, contact is closed, and now on again. So yeah, it's very simple, very easy, and you can do it more advanced than all that. It doesn't really matter. But I have done set reset and simple projects for simple for set reset and use simple start and turn off and reset buttons in FPD programming, function block diagram. So I wanted to show you guys how to do it very easy for ladder diagram. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something and find this project very good and useful. So yeah, see you guys next time.